and they got hit by a golf cart, but there was a nearby business that had a video camera. If you would like to go to our website, texascaraccidents.com, you can answer 5 questions to see if you have a case, and one of our friendly experts in simplifying Texas car accidents will be there for you. Another way to prove that you're not at fault for an accident is video evidence. That is one of the hardest things to refute. So after the accident, you should look nearby. Is someone filming that maybe caught the accident on camera? Is there a nearby business or some type of residential home that has a door camera or a camera on the side of their building that may have caught this accident? It's very important to try to contact those people as soon as possible to see if they're willing to help you and share the video evidence that they have. I kid you not, we have another case where someone was driving and they got hit by a golf cart with one of those big grills on the front of it, and then the person that was in the golf cart fled the scene on foot. But there was a nearby business that had a video camera at the top of their business, and it caught the whole entire accident on camera. Of course, if you have a dash camera or you see that the other driver has a dash camera, if you want to get the dash camera of the other driver, you or a lawyer should send a preservation notice to that person as soon as possible, telling them that they have to preserve that evidence from the accident. Sometimes people think that the traffic lights were able to capture video evidence of the accident, but at least in Texas, this is most of the time very unlikely. A lot of the cameras are not even on, and if they are on, they're only taking pictures of people going through red lights. Another type of video evidence that accident victims seem to think they can get very easily is highway footage, but this is not an easy thing at all. Most of the time, if there is highway footage at all, it's being overwritten very quickly and it's not being saved. And even if there is footage of it, there is a lot of red tape to go through to try to get footage like that, and they are not always helpful in getting it to you. We have another case where there is actually a private company who were just doing a community service to try to stop crime in their area. They had set cameras up around the highways, and our client was involved in an accident, and one of the Crime Stoppers cameras caught the accident on tape, and they were very gracious to share that footage with us. I hope that this video has helped you prove that you were not at fault for your accident. If you would like to go to our website, texascaraccidents.com, you can answer 5 questions to see if you have a case, and one of our friendly experts in simplifying Texas car accidents will be there for you.